So in this class we will discuss about calculating center of mass. We were talking about plane figures. Today we will see composite figures. Composite figures. This is a triangle, plane triangle, plane. Simple geometry. This is a circle. This is a half circle. Suppose now this is a rectangle. Suppose I combine two rectangles to form something like this. This type of figure. It is a combination of two rectangles. Okay. Suppose I make a figure which is like this. Square, semicircle, semicircle. These two types are called, this is simple geometry. This is composite figures. These are called composite figures. So here we have to find out the center of mass for such type of questions. Okay. So in the earlier class we have seen a formula for that. We will apply that and see the procedure how to calculate the center of mass for this type of questions. Okay. So let us start with the example, illustration 1. For this figure we want to find out. The dimensions are given as, let us say this is, all are in centimeters, okay. So this is 12 centimeter and this is also 12 centimeter. What are we trying to find out? We are trying to find out the center of mass because this is a geometry, the centroid of this figure. Often we are expected to find out such questions are asked. So how to proceed? So this is a big area. We need to break it into small areas. Small areas of which we know the centroids. Okay. So let us say I will extend this line. This portion, this rectangle I will call it as area 1 and this portion as area 2. And I will apply a1x1 plus a2x2, all that formula, and I will calculate. Okay. So for doing this, we need to take some reference point. I will take this as the 0, 0. And we have to calculate what? Its centroid will be somewhere. It can be here, it can be here, it can be outside also. Outside also it's possible, okay? So we have to find out the x coordinate and the y coordinate. This is our target. X bar and y bar, we know the formula. X bar is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 by a1 plus a2. Similarly, y is equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 by a1 plus a2. So here we will make a simple one table for clarity purpose, and here area, and I think the space will be sufficient or not. We'll just manually calculate it over. And the space is not sufficient. Alright, let us first calculate the value of A1 and A2. A1. What is your A1? This piece. The length is, okay, this is 20, this is also is 20. Okay? Length 20, width 12. So what is the area? 20 into 12? 240 centimeters square. All are in centimeters only. I am not going into much into the units part. A1 is equal to 240 centimeters square. A2. This much area. Because you are calling it as 2, no? So be careful. This whole is 20. This is 12. So what is this dimension now? You have to take this dimension now. 20 minus 12. How much? It is 8 centimeter. The diagram is not looking like that. It's because I have made it with my hand. So it is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter is the length. 12 centimeter is the width. So it is 12 into 8. 96 centimeter square. Now let us find out x1. x1 means what? Centroid of area 1. X coordinate of centroid of x coordinate. See, this figure will have its own centroid. Some x comma y somewhere, x1 y1. It will have some x2 y2. We are finding out that. and we have to find this distance with respect to the origin we have taken. Our origin is this. So this is 20, this is a rectangle. So how much will be x1? 20 divided by 2. For a rectangle it is a by 2. So it is 20 by 2. You are taking from the origin. So the answer is what? 20 by 2, 10 centimeters. Straight. x2. x2 means what? For this rectangle, you have to find the x coordinate. Is it not this distance? That means this distance, both are parallel, no? So this is 12 centimeter. What will be this? Half of 12 centimeter? So it is half of 12. 6 centimeter. x1, x2 over. Now let us calculate y1, y2. y1. Rectangle 1, you have to find y1. What is y1? Is it not this distance? y1 means 12 divided by 2. What is the reference line? Reference point? Origin. Remember that. So it is 12 by 2. It is 6 centimeter. And y2. Be careful here. y2 is how much? See this rectangle. This is 12 centimeter by 8 centimeter. So from here it will be 4 centimeter. Okay? Rectangle, it is in the center point. See, it is like this. This is my rectangle. This is my 12. This is my 8. So this is the y coordinate. How much is it? 4 centimeter. So that is what is 4 centimeter. But from where you have to take? You have to take from here. So you have to add this distance also. This distance is 12. 12 plus 4, 16. You have to put 12 plus 8 divided by 2. Originally. 8 by 2 is 4. 4 plus 12 is 16. Once you have calculated that, you have to put it in the equation. Okay? You have to put it in the equation. So, we will find out x1 now. And putting a1 x1. a1 is 240. 240 into x1, 10 plus 96. 96 into x2, 6 divided by 240 plus 96. Let us calculate this. So it is 96 into 6 plus 2400 divided by 240 plus 96, 340, 336, 336. 8.85. 8.85 centimeters. We got x1 value, right? Now we will see the y1 value. Let me just put the lights otherwise. Yeah. So then it became dark. So x1 we got 8.85. Let us now calculate y1. y1 will be 240 into 6 plus 96 into 16 divided by 336. Let us calculate this. So it is 240 into 6 plus 96 into 16 divided by 336. It is also 8.85 centimeter. Okay. So look, where would be the answer? So this is 20 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter. So x coordinate will be within this. 12 centimeter के अंदर ही होगा, तो इस region में होगा, and it is 8.85. So this is 12 in the y direction. So it is somewhere here. This coordinate is 8.85, 8.85. Alright? So this centroid of the whole figure is here. This is 8.85 and this is 8.85. Okay? So this is the approach you have to adopt. Now let us do this again in a different way. Just take a screenshot. Remember the values 8.85 and 8.85 we have got. Okay, I'm just rubbing it. So Let us say in the same question, I take this as the area. Okay, this is area 1 and this is area 2. It is no hard and fast rule that you can take like this and someone will take like this also. What will happen? Let us see. Okay. So here area 1, area 2 calculation will change. See, I am doing second way. That someone has taken area like this, not like horizontal. Okay. So our areas will change. So we'll just update the values here and see what happens. Right. So area 1. Look carefully. Total is 20. 20 में से 12 गया. तो ये dimension कितना हो गया? 20 minus 12. This is 8 centimeter. So what is the area now? 8 into 12. 8 into 12, it is 96 centimeter square. 96 centimeter square. Now, what about this area? This is 12, this is 20. So it is 20 into 12, 240 centimeters. Alright? Now let us calculate x1. किसका कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं? फर्स्ट एरिया का कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. कहां से कर रहे हैं? यहां से कर रहे हैं. तो इसका सेंटर किधर होगा? This is 8 centimeter. 8 by 2, x coordinate will be 8 by 2 from this point. But you are calculating from this point. What is this gap? 12 centimeter. So what is your answer? 12 plus 8 by 2. So it is 16 centimeter. Right? Now you have to find x2. x2 means, suffix 2 means second area. So x2 will be 12 divided by 2. It is directly from this point. So it is 12 by 2, which is 6 centimeter. Now coming to y1. y1 means इसका y1 ये होगा. तो इधर से मेजर करो, इधर से करो, एक ही बात है. तो this is 12 centimeter, 12 by 2 it will be. This coordinate will be half of 12. So 12 by 2, 6 centimeter. What about this area? This total is 20. So 20 का आधा होगा. It is from 0 only, right? So it will be 20 divided by 2. This will be 10 centimeter. Okay? 20 by 2, 10 centimeter. So x1 16. Yeah. Now calculate x bar. So it is 96 into a1 x1. x1 is 16 plus a2. a2 is 240. 240 into x2, it is 6 divided by 240 plus 96. So this we need to calculate. Let us calculate and see. 96 into 16 plus 240 into 6 divided by 336. It is 8.85 centimeter. Now calculate y bar. A1 x1, A1 y1. A1 is 96, y1 is 6 centimeter plus A2 240 into y2 10 centimeter divided by 2 A1 plus A2. इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं. तो 96 into 6 plus 2400 divided by 336, 8.85. तो मैं कहने का क्या कोशिश कर रहा हूं, आप एरिया को कैसे भी डिवाइड करो, the answer will not change. Okay, just with an illustration I wanted to show you that whichever way you want to take the areas, the answer is not going to change. Okay, so this is one aspect, one concept. Okay, so let's move on, take a screenshot and let us do one more. इसका निकालना है. All dimensions are in centimeters. Okay, you have to find the CG of this geometric shape. It's a composite one. You can see one rectangle here, one rectangle here, one rectangle here. 3 rectangles put together, it is looking like C. So we have to find the centroid. So इधर क्या करेंगे? आप कैसे भी ले सकते हैं. You can call this as 1. You call this as 2. You call this as 3. All right. So dimensions लिख लो पहले. Total is 50. This is 5. This is 5. So what is this? 50 minus 10, 40. Okay. So this is rest all dimensions are known. So now start calculating. Maybe we'll now try to put a what you call a table. So here we will write areas. We will write x1, x2, x3, and we will write y1, y2, y3. Alright. Serial number 1, area 1. Area 1 का कितना होगा? 50 into 5. So it is area 1 we are talking about. So it is okay. Here let us write area means we have to put the values here. Okay. We have to put the values here. So obviously when you are talking about x1, so here the area is 250. 50 into 5. Okay. Area into x1. How to serial number? If you put area x1, x2, x3. We'll just calculate in our regular fashion. I just wanted to tell in terms of a table. Okay, leave this. Let us not get confused. Let us keep our life simple. सबको समझ में आना चाहिए कैलकुलेशन क्या कर रहे हैं. पहले A1, A2, A3 लिख लेते हैं. A1, A2, A3. A1 कितना है? 50 into 5. Okay, it is 250 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. A1 जितना होगा A2 भी उतना ही होगा. दोनों एकदम सिमिलर है और बोथ आर सिमिलर. So this is also 250 centimeter square. Alright. Now A3. A3 is, this is 40. This is also, yeah, this is also 5. You take it as 5. Okay, 5 centimeters. This thickness is also 5 centimeters. What is A3? 40 into 5. It is 200 centimeters. तो टोटल एरिया कितना हो गया? तीनों का ऐड करो. 250, 250, 500, 500 plus 200, 700 centimeters. Alright. Now let us find out x1. कहाँ से निकालना है? देखो, reference you can take anywhere. You can take any point as reference. But usually we take this to make our life easy. We don't want to calculate negative values. Okay. आप इधर किधर लेंगे तो हर चीज को माइनस करना पड़ेगा. So let us not do that. Let us keep everything in the first quadrant. See, this is whole thing is in first quadrant. Imagine this point with the origin. This whole thing is the first quadrant. This is my y-axis. This is my x-axis. All right. The whole thing is in the first quadrant. Try to always put in the first quadrant because in first quadrant everything is positive. Right. So यहाँ पर निकालेंगे x1. x1 कितना हो जाएगा? 50 by 2. 50 by 2. 25 सेंटीमीटर. x2. x1 जैसा है x2 भी वैसे ही है. अगर ये 50 ये 25 सेंटीमीटर है तो ये भी 25 सेंटीमीटर होगा. Now x3 इसका. So this width is 5 centimeters. You are measuring from here. It will be 5 divided by 2. It will be 5 divided by 2. 2.5 centimeters. Alright. x1, x2, x3 तीनों निकाल लिया. अभी क्या निकालना है? y1, y2, y3. y1 means this area. तो y1 क्या होगा? This dimension. So 5 divided by 2. 2.5 centimeters. y2 means इसका निकालना है, y चेंज हो जाएगा यहाँ पर, यहां से इसका सेंटर निकालना है आपको। दिस इज द डिस्टेंस यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट। ऑलराइट, सो यहां से यहां तक कितना है 2.5, बराबर, इसके हाफ में होगा। तो यहां से यहां तक कितना डिस्टेंस है देखो, ये 5 है और ये 40 है, 40 प्लस 5 45। सो फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट इट इज 45, 45 प्लस 2.5 हाउ मच इज इट 47.5। समझ में आया, यही इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसका सेंट्रॉइड निकाल दे, तो कहां से निकाल रहे हैं, यहां से निकाल रहे हैं। तो वी हैव टू टेक 5 प्लस 40 प्लस दिस हाफ ऑफ 5 2.5, 40 45 and 2.5 here 47.5. now coming to y3, y3 कहां है, यहां पर है। तो यहां से this total is 40, so this will be how much 20। कहां से निकालना है, यहां से निकालना है, तो इसको भी जोड़ना पड़ेगा 5 प्लस 20 25। बस ये आने के बाद now you have to make the calculation। x bar is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3, because there are 3 areas here divided by total area। now write the values now। 250 into x1 25 and a2 250 into x2 25 and a3 200 into x3 2.5 centimeters divided by total area 700। इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे, 250 into 25 plus 250 into 25 कितना होता है 500 into 25 होता है। Let me just calculate that। (18.57). Okay, I am getting 18.57 centimeter x bar। We have to find y bar also, same formula, but in the place of x1 you will get y1, x2 y2, in the place of x2 you will get y2, x3 you will get y3। so a1 is 250 into y1 2.5 plus a2 250 into y2 47.5 plus a3 is 200 into 25, 200 into 25 divided by 700। let us just calculate that। if you take 250 common here, it is 47.5 2.5 50, so it is 50 into 2000 50 into 250 plus 200 into 2.5 divided by 700, you got 18.57। you are getting same thing because it is symmetrical, you know why you got the same values, because they are symmetrical। okay, that's why you are getting both same values। okay, 18.57 is where it is, this is 5 centimeter and this is 50, मतलब बीच में कहीं यहाँ होगा, right? this is my 18.57 or 18.8 equal। vertically this is 5 and this is 40, so 45 मतलब इधर किधर होगा आपका, ओके 5 से थोड़ा ज्यादा मतलब यहाँ होगा। so this coordinate is 18.57 18.57। you can see that the center of mass, the centroid, is outside the figure। so it is possible, the answer is yes, it is possible। sometimes it is outside, you know। so this is the method। so tomorrow we will see another way of calculating this। okay, कि एक ही में मैं कुछ और प्रैक्टिस कराना चाहता हूँ, इसको नोट कर लो and we will see some more numericals in the some more concepts in the next class। okay then, thank you for time, take care, bye।